The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Wednesday, April 9, and in our Gospel from St. John chapter 8, verses 31 to 42, Jesus Christ is reminding us all that we can only be truly free if we live the truth, and the truth can be found only on the Word of God. Have you ever experienced that you wanted to do something good, but you just simply cannot do it? You will it, but you cannot do it. As the song goes, gusto kong bumait, pero di ko magawa. There is what we call enslavement of sin. When we become addicted to doing things, when we become used to doing sins, that sin is just becoming a normal thing for us. We are not anymore being conscientized. We don't think that it is even sin at all, because it becomes a natural thing to do and to choose evil. If that is our experience, it means we are already become enslaved of sin. That's why Jesus Christ said, if you know and live the truth, you will be truly free. And what will free us from the enslavement of sin? The sacrament of confession. As we follow Jesus, especially on His passion, death, and resurrection, we will only be truly free if we will allow ourselves to be humble and come to the sacrament of confession. Let us not normalize choosing evil over good. Let us not normalize choosing what is wrong over what is good. So let us be discerning, and let us open our eyes to the truth of the Word of Jesus, so that we will never be deceived. We are free children of God and not slave of sin and evil. God bless you.